officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Giovanni Vargas, national referee. Second referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag, international referee. Let's call our starting lineup from our Tamaraos of the Far Eastern University. Let's start off with their team captain, number 16, Greg Dolor. At number 1, Red John Paler. Number 6, guest player, Owen Jaime Suarez. Number 7, Jean Lucky Margate. At number 15, Joel Kayaban. Libero? Sorry, number 18, Jeric Gakutan. Or rather, number 8, Jeric Gakutan. Libero, number 13, Rico Marmeto. Head coach, Mr. Joseph Santos. Number 8. Calling on our University of the East Warriors. Team captain is number 11, Edard Camposano. At number 3, Samuel Lelik. Number 4, Jose Miggy Sagun. Number 6, Noel Angelo Alba. Number 9, Vincent Magdaong. And number 14, Rubens Abrot. Libero. Number 5, Clifford Inoferio. Head coach, Mr. Roel Pascual. This is match number 14 of the preliminaries. Good luck to both teams.
So, ayan po si Greg Dolor. Kinakausap na. Did not get the start in the last game. Ito si Greg Dolor, but gets the start here today. Bumalik na rin sa kanilang lineup. Ito si Jeric Gakutan. Yan ang kagandahan si FEU. Lalim ng kanilang pool. Lucky Margate did not even play in their last game, but gets the start today for the Tamaraos.
Well, as in their mga previews, even sa women's, makikita mo na ang FEU talaga, minsan nga wala pang guest player yan, kung sinasali sa atin, di ba? Nakikita mo na ginagamit talaga nito as training, di ba? Pre-tournament training nila. And just to see siguro, no, what combination will click for them.
Ito ngayon, si Gakutan, sending that one across.
Free ball.
Here's Suarez now on the run. Gakutan, welcome back.
At simple, just getting it where nobody was home.
Well, ito si Jeric Gakutan. Out of Pangasinan. Ano pa? Puro Pangasinan yata.
Pangasinense ba? Mga players.
Pangasinense. Si Gakutan, si Dolor, Jude Garcia, Peter Kiel. Yan yung mga
dami namang talent.
Right. Oy, off the block that time. Edward Camposano, the national team player. I believe Camposano, if I'm not mistaken, was the youngest member of the national team na pinadala natin sa Singapore.
Pwede yan, yeah. Kasi Camposano, so technically, rookie pa yan ng
UE up to now, no?
Actually, rookie of the year, no?
Rookie of the year, and of course, 3-time high school MVP. Kayaban, turn back that time, pero nailusot. Narinig na naman natin yung howl of Greg Dolor. Kada puntos yan, may howl na kasama si Greg Dolor. Parang napakalaking kwago.
Nahanap mo raw di ibigay.
Ganon, ha? Tignan natin ulit kung maulit ng UE yun. Anong FEU yun, rather. Here's Lucky Margate on the serve. Mahabang seremonyas. Set up ngayon para dito kay Sagin, and Sagin scores.
Effectively, so it's off the block point from Sagin. Remember, this UE squad is a young team.
Puro bata rin sila dyan. 4 rookies in their lineup. Hindi lang 4 nakalagay dito. 1999, 1999, 1998.
Diba, even Camposano is a very young player still.
Kayaban chases this. Gakutan across. Pagtao ngayon, iniwan para kay Sagin. Wala sumuporta naman. Walang coverage para sa UE.
Tama. Poor coverage na tinignan lang yung bola. Look at Camposano, even at papasok pa lang siya ng kanyang sophomore year, nagli-lead na for you.
Right. Well, PLDT Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Dolor, second ball. Gakutan.
Oh, it doesn't.
Yep.
Exactly. That's going to be a net violation on Gakutan.
Jeric Gakutan giving a free point para dito sa kupunan ng University of the East. And now, Captain Edward Camposano.
And very vocal siya, di ba, inside the court, which sometimes you really need a vocal leader inside para ma-remind lang.
Right.
Lalo na if it's a young team.
Suarez to Dolor.
Oh!
Wala nang umabot. Si Abrot napatingin na lang.
Late or the
Ayan, sabi nila,
delayed sa
the
reaction.
Chris Tew daw of men's volleyball. Tama ba yan? May isang fan na nag-tweet
Pwede.
yan. Vince Abrot is the Chris Tew of men's volleyball. Oh, ilang taon pa lang po ito si Vince Abrot. Kung kayo nagtatanong, 16.
Ay,
Laking
sus.
bata.
Oo. Oh, still playable.
Gakutan gets it across. Pagdao ngayon, dalawa matake, Lelik. And that's a great play coming from UE.
That's right.
Samuel Lelik getting his first point. Yeah.
Ang babata na itsura
Kaya nga
ng
eh.
players natin.
Ano tayo
partner.
nagko-cover ng ng high school league, di ba? I serve that time. Here is Suarez. And there's Paler.
Oh, and net violation, I think, is called against UE.
So ito si RJ Paler getting that point off of the violation. Ito na ngayon si Greg Dolor. Parang overnight naging mama no? Ito si Greg Dolor. Nung pumasok siya muna rito, parang ito gagaling pa lang to. Ngayon, siya na talagang kapitan
Ang dami na nga natin nakita ganyan. So,
Right.
yung iba nga nakita natin, nagsisimula sa pagtulak ng ball card.
Ayan na.
Tumutulong lamang.
Exactly. Ito si Vince Abrot, nakakuha na ng kanyang unang puntos. Mas hawig ni Charles Chu
Sige, Charles?
Nagalit sa atin si Charles.
Bakit naman?
Hindi, sabihin niya, bakit? Mas gwapo naman si Kuya siya. Ayan.
Okay, na combination play this time sa FEU Galing.
And FEU
Paler.
instead. Yes, that is RJ Paler. Combination play. May kita natin. Ultrafast 5 galing sa PLDT Montera. Ultrafast LTE for a happy family. So 6-5 for the Tamaraws. RJ Paler. Magdaong, Noel Alba. Suarez. Margate. Abrot. Magdaong. Camposano galing sa likod.
And Camposano, just so powerful. Getting that point.
Yan
Alam mo,
daw,
maganda yung experience
Right.
na nakuha niya, no?
Kaya ka dyan, tinatawag na siya the next JP Torres. Pwede na di ba? Pwede rin naman.
Pwede naman.
Abrot with the jump serve. Suarez, Margate.
Dinaan din sa Tiagay si
Right.
JP. Gumaling sa sipag.
That's a great dump there coming from Noel Alba. Lamang na po UE ngayon ng isa, palitan ng tao. Eto, isa pang tagapagkasinan, papasok na. Kiel comes in for Margate. So Peter Kiel seeing his first action of the game. Yung taon na to si Peter Kiel? 17. Lalaki ito.
High school nga talaga.
Right. Abrot, the 16-year-old, just missing.
That's right. Just a little bit long.
Kasi 17 na naman to si Abrot
Ay, ang tanda na.
On August 14. Malapit-lapit na rin. August 14.
Nagsa-17 na.
Ito kaya, Suarez. Pagdaong. Nice spike there coming from the side from Noel Alba once again. And Alba gives UE a 1-point lead. Sa ating pong first technical timeout, magbabalik po kami. How's first set, mga kaibigan? UE up by 1 over FEU. We send it out to the third member of our panel, Rina Villamor.
Yes, so it's never too late to start winning games for these two teams right now. And what's important for the UE team right now is to have a very hopeful team. Sabi nga dito ni Coach Ruel, kailangan huwag sila mawawala ng pag-asa and to have that start with a never say die attitude. Sabi nga niya, nabata pa yung kanilang kupunan, kailangan na-develop pa yung maturity nila. Alam mo, nakakatawang kwento dito yung kanilang team captain na si Edward Camposano dahil siya daw mismo ay na-alarm dun sa pagkatalo niya against the EAC team. Kaya naman daw siya ang nagpatawag ng special meeting sa kanila. Nagpa-3 training daw siya. At the same time, sinabihan din nila ang kanyang mga teammates that they should never give up and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Hindi naman daw siya nagalit kasi mas maganda daw dito, nagiging open sila sa isa't isa para malaman nila yung lapses nila. On the part of Coach Ruel naman, importante lang na maging effective dito yung mga middle blockers niya na sila Mandal, Alba, and Delic. Nawalan mo, Ozzy?
Well, Alba's been doing a great job.
That's right.
Yes! Only meeting, ha?
Diba? Yun nga, kanina pa natin binabanggit yung leadership na yan eh.
Right.
In and out of the court pala naman.
Right. So, Alba, doing well so far, pero ito nga si Camposano. Sige mo, that's the makings of a future head coach. He's only 19 years old, ha? Ito si Edward Camposano.
Nagpa-practice, di ba? Ang sarili. Well, UE now at 7 attack points. Itong FEU having 4 with a single block from FEU.
Upward lead for the Warriors. Good read by Marmeto. So, napalakas yung serve that time ito si Noel Alba. 9-all. Joel Cayaban, the sophomore. With the serve.
Ang maganda lang din panoodin dito sa dalawang teams natin today ay yung mga rookies nga eh. Natani nila ang rookies pareho. Tapos ginagamit most of the rookies.
So, ito nga, Suarez with a double touch. And speaking of Suarez, of course, nandyan parati. Kausap pa kanina si Manolo Refugio, he's actually here. Yung kanilang 5th year setter.
Correct.
Pero ang ginagamit dito ni Coach Joseph Santos, yung dalawang freshman, para mahasa na kagad.
Yun agad sa, normally si FEU nga, sila yung walang guest players, they really play with yung talagang UAAP team na nila. And just getting experience and siguro yung rocking their plays, yung gano'n.
Looking at both teams, yung mga guest players din nila, sort of kanila rin naman eh.
Oh, yeah.
Mga high school players nila.
That's right.
Here's Suarez now. Setting it over. RJ Taler.
Si Taler, ano na rin dito sa FEU, nakailang puntos na rin. Kanina, off a combination play, this time from an open hit.
Incoming sophomore.
Ang tanda!
Ito si Kagutan. Alam mo, incoming third year na ito si Kagutan.
Ay, tanda talaga!
Alam mo, kung nagsimula naman tayo mag-cover ng volleyball for the Shakey's B-League way back in 2004, ganun din yung mga fresh face.
Yes, that's right.
Yung mga teka lang dyan, si Coach Roel Pascual. Palitan ng tao dito, change in the setter yan, from young and to young.
Young to younger.
Ito bang si, tignan natin ha, Mikasa, the official ball of the Spikers turf. Yes, younger nga. Chris Silang, just turned 16. Just turned.
Yes. My goodness gracious. And dito mo makikita ngayon. Alam mo, I think the coaches, that's what they want to see. Sa gantong stage, ano ba ang reaction or ang ilalaro ng ganito kabatang players?
Well, ito si Kakutan, already one of the elder statesmen in coming third year. With a good serve earlier. 2-point lead for the Tamaraws. Lelic on the double attack. Save there by Marmeto. Pero hindi na naiangat yun ni Dolor.
Tried late to react on that second ball ng kapana ng FEU. Tinignan muna eh. Tapos walang sumunod.
And now the serve coming here from Miggy Sagin. Ayaman, Silang. The defense of Abrot is there, pero puntos mapupunta pa rin dito sa FEU. Tinulak ni Dolor, papunta rito sa batang-batang si Vince Abrot.
Si Ruvins.
Ruvins. Palayo niya, Vince. Ano ba height nito? 6 feet tall lang naman.
Dalas ko nakikita yan.
Na 16 years old. Camposano, pinamigay. Kayaban, Silang. Atake ngayon, galing.
I know what?
Abrot, tumapak sa niya. Net violation. Now a 3-point lead for FEU. Timeout UE. Lahat ng coaches kinausap si Vince McMahon. Ano ba nagawa mo? Focus lang. Because again, the lifeblood of the offense is your setter.
That's right. That's true. At yung distribution niya magiging importante. But again, yung center din kasi importante din sa kanya yung first balls eh. Yun naman magsisimula lahat. Katulad yan, napakaganda.
Pero magaling lang talaga yung Marmeto.
But the net violation na naman ang itatawag dito. Pinag-uusapan lang namin ni Coach Maken dahil nga binalik na sa dati. Ang dami na naman natin nakikitang net violation.
Yun na nga yung punto na pinag-uusapan namin ni Seb Sarmento ng isang araw na nung under-23 tournament. First match ng Philippines against Iran. 20 net violations ang itinawag sa Pilipinas. And again, it's the adjustment talaga. That's a good shot. And that's an easy dump there coming here from Samuel Lelik. Yeah.
At si Lelik, ikinagulat ng FEU yung return na yun.
Ngayon, Lelik nasa likod para mag-serve. Tatlo ang abante rito ng Tamaraos. Marmeto, Silang, going over to Kiel. Freshman to freshman, did not work that time.
Wide on that try.
So 15-13 ang ating score. Samuel Lelik to serve ngayon. Sa pambata to, 17 pa lamang. Lelik.
Parang high school team itong mga napapanood natin. But from the macro this time, yes, that's wide.
So Dolor giving away another point para dito sa FEU. Isa na lang po kanilang abante. Samuel Lelik once again. Good serve once again. Kayaban. Silang. Cross court is a miss for RJ Baler.
Trying not just too much angle and not enough spin on that hit.
Palitan ng tao para dito sa FEU. Baler will sit down and the rookie, the freshman, Jude Garcia, another one out of Pangasinan, seeing his first action.
Si Peter Kiel kanina ay tubong Iloilo pala.
Iloilo. Rotation error against FEU. And ito ngayon si Joseph Santos pleading his case kontra rito kay Adrian Tabanyag. Mali daw si Adrian Tabanyag.
I-check natin yan.
So tama daw ang rotation ng FEU. Ulit, mali daw ni Adrian Tabanyag. And that's a great thing about our referees din dito. Yes, magkakamali sila and then pag nagkamali sila, yeah, let's do the point again. Kasi ang hirap na trabaho ng second referee.
Ay, ang dami mong binabantayan.
Dalawang rotation, tinitignan mo.
Crossing, football, step, tapos rotation. Yung rotation pa naman, minsan crucial yan. Yung yung magkadikit, lalo na sa setter.
Pusuhan lang ng libero, wala sa first libero. Nakuha na po ng UE ang kalamangan. This is 5 straight points for the Red Warriors. We'll be right back. 16-15 po ang ating score. Mababinate ang University of the East in the matchup between two teams looking for their first victories dito po sa Spikers turf. At bumawi naman si Peter Kiel, Ilonggo.
Yes, Ilonggo, 6'2" quicker na si Peter Kiel.
Tignan natin muna itong kanyang ultra fast bike photos at PLDT Multera di ultra fast LTE for a happy family. So, ano ba to? Kababayan ni Mr. Abena.
Oh.
16 all. Vince Abrot with the left hand. Nicely done.
Yung mga nakikita nga natin, super rookies no? Hindi lang basta-basta rookie. Well, so far, FEU now 6 attack points. UE, 10 na partner, ha? Napakaraming atake ang nagagaling sa UE.
Abrot on the serve. Marmeto. Silang. Combination ngayon para dito kay Kiel. Magtaong. Alba sinubo sa depensa.
Parang sinut yun,
Nakagandahan sa isang katulad dito si Noel Alba. Recognizing the defense at sabi, lalayo nyo sa net. Ito sa inyo.
Sinut Doon sa distansya ng blocker at ng net.
Sabi, this is a 7-1 run ongoing ngayon make that an 8-1 run para sa UE on a service ace from abroad. Babalik ulit si Suarez, papalitan si Silang. So from young to a little older. From 15 years old to 16 years old.
Wow lang.
At PLDT Homoterra deal to Fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. The serve of abroad will miss. And now Suarez. $12 years old yata.
Ayaw bang maniwala? Nagpagawa ba ng peking ID? Ang tingin mo?
Nice setup however by Suarez. Pero nasa ilalim ng bola naman. Ito si Joel Cayaban. Naalala ko dati nung kino-cover natin yung Adamson, may bago silang libero, si Angel Vasquez.
No, tama.
12 years old lang yata itong libero.
Yung mga liberos actually ang dami mga young looking kasi nga maliliit. Oo.
Palitan ng tao dito. Imperial will come in.
May mga
Direct substitution sa setter yan.
yung mga liberos nga na hindi, parang hindi na tumanda yun sila Jack Jonella, diba? Sila
Jen
Jen
Reyes.
Reyes. Parang yun na sila, nakita natin sila.
Si Joshua Barica sees his first action ngayon para sa FEU. He's actually the leading scorer of the team. So ito ngayon, si Suarez going to Barica immediately. Sawal, iaangat para kay Camposano. Camposano off the block.
Just too much power behind that hit and yung talsik ng bola, napakalayo. Camposano. And you know, ito na lang si Camposano, again, na-mention natin, yung consistency na lang ang kulang. But because it also comes with maturity, diba, with age.
Suarez, inangat. Barica over the defense. Albat, tinawid. Imperial, back set ngayon. Hulog, galing naman dito kay Sagin. And there's Kakutan, still alive. Sawal, itatawid. Suarez, Kiel. Sawal once again. Imperial, nahabol pa rin. Alba, Tolor, Suarez, back set, Kakutan.
Well, nakailang bola din kasi na hindi maibigay kay Camposano because the first balls were not so good. It was close to the net. So, ang nangyayari, binibigay nila kung kanino malapit. So, Camposano in that last play did not receive any.
Well, yung mangyayari dito tuloy palitan para sa UE. Labas muna si Sagin, papasok for the first time. Itong si Adviento. So si B2 ginamit na.
Ayun na sasabihin ka na
Hanapin natin kung nandito si B1. So 21-18. Kiel. Abroad, Imperial. Ay! Hello kagad.
Yan ang impact.
Yan. B2 scores.
Agad.
And that is an Ultra Fast 5 brought us at PLDT Homoterra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Vito Adviento makes it now a 4-point lead for the Red Warriors. Alba, malakas. 22-19. Pwede pa yan para sa FEU.
Meron pa pala isang FEU na rookie utility spiker nila na si Jesser Navas.
Minsan ginagamit nila si Navas.
Ilo-ilo din, Longo din. Dumadami ang mga Ilonggos.
Barica. Imperial. Combination, tatlong tumalon.
That is right.
What a play.
That's true. Beautiful combination play coming from UE.
Naupos ang blockers ng FEU. 1, 2,
Lagas.
3, wala na. Grabe. 23-19. 2 points away ang University of the East for winning a set for the first time sa Spikers Turf. Small victory sa kinakailangan nila rito. And Roque, make that itong si Garcia is blocked by B2. Energizer din pala ito si B2. Time out FEU.
Bakla na set, bakla sa meron. Diba? Dalawin ng dalawa yun, okay? So, saan tayo sa maganda receive lang. Dalawin mo rito, dito mo ulit. Pakikinig ko dito, isa rito. Tabo mo rito, ha? Then, overage. Hindi na tayo makareceive eh. Naman taranta. Di pa naman tayo stay dito rin. Okay, okay, dalawin mo. Hey, Pitaras! Pwede ko na receive tayo ng
24-19 ngayon, UE, 5 set point ang hawak nila. Yung kanilang head coach, Joseph Santos, head coach nila. No relation to Kid Santos, ha? Tinanong ko na yun. Siyempre, volleyball, Santos na naman. No relation daw, no relation. Nagkataon lang daw. Siyempre, medyo common din naman yung pangalan, di ba?
Yes.
24-19. 24-19. Captain Camposano serving for the first set. Iniwasan si Marmeto. Napunta kay Barica. Suarez ngayon, tugakutan. Camposano saves it. And Imperial gets it across. Barica, Suarez, Dolor turned back. Great defense at the net by Samuel Lelik. And the University of the East nakuha po ang first set 25-19, and that represents the first time na nakakuha ng set ang UE dito po sa ating Spikers turf. And we will be back for the second set when we return.